In this video, let me show you how to use the Binance P2P sell feature. So if you're trying to use the P2P feature in order to sell your cryptocurrency within Binance, all you want to do is head over to the profile section or the hamburger menu on the top left, and right here on the top you should be able to see the option of P2P. If it is straight away not visible, head over to more services and search for P2P on the search bar. Once you're inside of the P2P section, make sure that the P2P is again selected on the top. Head over to the sell option, and these are all of the buyers that are available within the P2P platform. So you can add in some sort of filters such as the asset that you're trying to sell, the amount that you're trying to pay, the amount that you're trying to sell for, as well as different payment methods as well. So once you do that, you'll be able to see all of the buyers that are available. You can head over to one of these buyers. Now before you do, you can also check out the different options that these buyers are willing to pay, such as the available USDT that is available within their account. So you can simply tap on the sell option, and the other person needs to accept this payment within the P2P platform. So this is the way on how you do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.